What's going on, YouTube? Got another unboxing here and an LCS pickup. Let's see what we got. Now this coin here is from a new series. Please leave in a comment down below if this is a series maybe you'll be interested in. Not sure if they spoke about what the second in the series will look like. Hopefully it will be just as nice as this one. I don't believe it is going to be an automobile. I believe this is called the China Auto Dollar Restrike. I believe this is a new series. Don't know much about it. If anybody knows anything about this series, please leave a comment down below. Let's get it out of this plastic. I actually purchased 5 of these. Here goes a look at the automobile. Let's take a look at the others. Here goes another one. Here goes another one. I personally collect also the Dragon Dollar Restrike, which is coming out of China as well. I believe they're 6 in the series now, or 5. I've seen that the Water Dragon, I believe for the Dollar Restrike, will be the next one coming out. If anybody's collecting that series, let me know down below. Just curious how many are getting into this series from the China and the Dragon Dollar Restrike series as well. So that's those 5 there. Now for the LCS pickup, I decided to grab this bar. Build your wealth in ounces. And this is also a 999's fine silver 10-ounce bar. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Hope everyone has a great day. See you on the next one.